So I have built a small agent. It will, when someone fill the form and give the feedback, so it will upload the details of the user and the feedback into Notion here, and then it will send the thank you message for giving their response, their feedback. So let's I show you a quick demo. So I will let the Ghazi, and email will be Ghazi Hussain world dot com, and I say your product is best. So when I will click on submit, so it will first it will save the data to here, and then it will send the uh, receiving message. So I'll click on this. So now you can see it say thank you for your feedback, best regards, Guardio Automates team. So now we have to create this today. It also a short and small automation, but it in this video I will show you how you can connect your Notion account to your N10. So first I will give the name form to Notion, and we have add our first trigger. So I will give the name feedback, and I will add element will be name, and it will be required for email sending or our data field. And the second will be email, it also required for sending the email. And third will be feedback, it also are required. So I have created added our first trigger, so I will click on save, and then I will execute it. Email, and feedback will be this is good. So I will click on save, submit. So now we have to connect our Notion for uploading our data. So I will click on plus and I will search Notion. So now we have database, and we want to create a database page. Means we have to upload our data into database. So I will click on create a database page. Now I have account, but I will click on new credential. So here is same, we have need integration secret. So where we can avail this. So go to your Notion page, and now I have first you have to create your uh, add page. And now after create page, go to settings and go to connections, and click on develop or manage integrations. So click on new integration and name your integration name. I say form to Notion, and I will click on save. No, you have to associate workspace. So and our integration name will, so it is giving error because I did not select workspace and in name include Notion, so it is not allowed. So I will click on configure. Now we have our internal integration secret, so I will click on it and I will click on save. Now we have connected our uh, Notion, but one thing is remaining. We have not you when you click on it, so you will not see any page. So what we have to do, go to again your page and click on it connection, and you can see there is a connection. I have connected, but I disconnected, and I again click on connect, and now go to mm, and now you select your created integration name. So you have to remember your name. So I created form integration, so I click on it and I will confirm it. So now we have completed connected our database, so I will refresh it, and now you can see my page name is feedback details, and also database page name is feedback details. So we have connected our Notion page. So here is a title, so you can do uh, you can write any, but I write data. So we have to send the property, so I will click on it property, and those name you created, so it will show you your key or name ID. So first I have to give send the name, so I will drag it, and second one is email, so I will drag my email, and third one is the feedback, so I will also drag my feedback. So now I will execute this. So it has successfully sent my data. So now you can see this is good. We have received a name email, and now we have to send the email, a thank you email for the form submission. So I will click on it save plus, and I will click on Gmail and save. So email will be this. So to I want to send this, and subject will be, you can write anything, but I will say thank you, and text will be now if you want more personalized email, a thank you image, so click i I write email and then name, not say hey thank you for, but it is like general, and user think it send all for, but if you use their own name, so it will create impact. So I will drag the name JSON and say thank you for your feedback, and best regards, Ghazi Automates team. Now I will click on execute. So now it has sent the email, so I check on it. uh, so we have received our email. So you can go with more personalized. Now you are seeing an attribution, because I don't of this append attribution, but it has done. So this is it for today. Next videos we will discover more. So thank you for your patience and watching.